Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels friends. This is a 43-inch Samsung LED TV with the fault LVDS mapping problem. To solve this issue we need to enter into the Samsung service mode. For that we need the Samsung TV service remote with built-in factory button. For entering service mode in Samsung TV using service remote, press the factory button first, then press the info button, then wait for 5 seconds. See friends, now TV goes to service mode. Now using normal remote, select the option tab, now goes LVDS section. Now change the current LVDS format. See now picture comes and the complaint is solved successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.